Japan seriously thinks of everything. First, in Japan, there's a collapsible stool that's made for people who don't want to stand for too long. You can carry it almost anywhere because it folds down into a small size. Then, whenever you need a seat, you just open it in seconds. What's crazy is that even though it looks light and compact, it can hold up to 500 pounds without any problem. Second, Japan also has a digital spoon scale. At first, it just looks like a normal spoon, but it can actually tell you the exact weight of whatever you put inside it. There's a tiny screen on the handle that shows the measurement instantly. People use it for cooking, baking, and even diet tracking because it makes measuring ingredients super easy. Third, Japan has a really unique Mount Fuji book that opens in full 360 degrees. When you unfold all the pages, it turns into a beautiful 3D model of Mount Fuji sitting right in front of you. A lot of people keep it in their room as decoration because it looks more like art than an actual book. Fourth, some restaurants in Japan, mapo tofu is made right in front of you at the table. The staff brings the tofu, sauces, and spices separately and then cooks everything fresh while you watch the whole process. The smell, the sound, and the way it's prepared make the experience feel completely different from a normal restaurant. Fifth, Japan has very strict rules when it comes to food packaging. If a burger, snack, or dessert looks a certain way on the packet, the actual food inside has to look almost the same. Brands can't use fake oversized pictures or make the product look much better than it really is. Sixth, Japan, some cafes serve coffee inside an edible cone instead of a normal cup. The cone is made specially so it doesn't leak quickly. After you finish drinking the coffee, you can eat the crunchy cone too. So there's basically no waste, and you even get a snack at the end. Seventh, in Japan, there are tiny chairs made for hamsters so they can sit while eating. Some people even put the chair in their car so the hamster sits beside them during the drive. It looks ridiculously cute. Eighth, some cafes in Japan serve coffee in special glasses that can survive temperatures as low as minus 85 degrees. Even with hot coffee inside, the glass doesn't crack at all. Ninth, Japan has AI trash bins. You throw your garbage in and the bin automatically detects the waste type. Then it separates everything by itself. It's basically a smart dust bin. 10. At some airports in Japan, sushi plates are placed on the luggage belt. They're used to show that the belt has completed one full round. So if you see the sushi plate again, you'll know your luggage is probably delayed. It's a simple idea, but really clever. 12. Japan has a small sakura tree decoration that changes when you add water. At first, it looks like a tiny paper tree, but after a few hours, pink flowers start growing all over it. It slowly turns into a mini cherry blossom tree right in front of you. 14. Japan has machines that can make bingsu-style ice cream in seconds. The machine shaves the ice super smoothly and adds flavors and toppings automatically. The result looks perfect every single time, almost too good to eat. I put a lot of effort into making this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe.